Hello viewers, all subscribers to this channel, the primary and special members of the channel, and everybody else who has been watching a video or two of this channel. This video tells you how you can participate in the live sessions which I have started recently. After the live sessions are over, many people comment saying, I could not join the live session. Therefore, I thought I must share this with you so that you have great clarity in how you can participate in a live session. Already there are more than 300 recorded videos on the channel teaching you every aspect of English language and literature, be it grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, speaking, listening, reading and writing. Everything is there in the videos. But you wanted live interaction. You wanted one-to-one interaction. We have had open sessions for all viewers on spoken English. Already 2 sessions are over, and on 10th October, this is the 3rd session. After the video is there on the channel, the recorded video, thousands are watching. But in the live class, we have just a few hundred. Therefore, all of you who have problems in joining the live session, please watch this carefully and follow the instructions. Here, you can see the screen of the home page of the channel. You see, this is the home page. It is underlined. There is video. If you click this, you'll get all the 300 videos. Next to it, you find live. And then you have post. As soon as a post announces a live class, you will get a notification if you keep the notifications on this channel. So you have the word post here. If you go to the post, you will see the announcement. If you go to live, you can join the session because the link is available in this column live. You want the playlist and the podcasts, that also you can see, videos you can see. All these are there on the home page. This is the home page of the channel. Now you see, in the earlier picture I showed you live, which was encircled in red. You remember, live was what was ticked. Now instead of home, we have come to the page of live. Live is underlined. Here you see the announcements. These are all announcements. These are what is already over. You can see streamed 1 day ago, streamed 3 days ago. These are all past sessions which you can watch the recorded version of. But I'm not talking about recorded versions because, as I told you, there are more than 300 recorded videos available. You want a live session, you want live interaction with me, then you have to join the live session which says upcoming. 10th October, 7:30, upcoming. Here is a special members session. It also says upcoming. So you choose this because you are just a subscriber or you are just a viewer who has seen 1 or 2 videos. Then you are eligible to watch the live class, which is for all viewers. There is no restriction here. It is for all viewers. You can see here it says special members. Here again, all viewers. So those which are for special members, only special members can join. But the rest of you can join this if you go to the live and you find a post like this with the date and time. The time given is Indian Standard Time. You have to convert it to your own time zone, whichever part of the world you are in. When you go to this upcoming, you see it says live in 23 hours, October 10 at 7:30 p.m. You can see a button here, which if you click, you will get the link. The link is also there in the description of the post. You go to the post column and you click the link, you will find that you are able to join. As soon as I go live, you will also become live. You don't have to do anything except click that link, which is the link for the live session. When you are watching it, it might be 20 hours, 15 hours, 10 hours, depending on at what time you watch the video. Once this is finished, suppose you watch it after the 10th of October, then you have to do the same process for the future live sessions. You have to follow whatever I'm telling you here for all those live sessions also. Immediately after 10th, on 12th of October, we have again another live session. But this live session is for special members of the channel. This you cannot participate in unless you become a special member. You can watch the video later because see, it is streamed one day, it is available to everybody. But if you want to interact, if you want to participate, if you want me to be in front of you during this 1 hour session, then you have to become a special member. Don't worry, those who cannot afford to become special members can certainly watch the recorded version as you see here. We have finished 4 classes of vocabulary. The 5th class of vocabulary is on 12th October, and after that we begin with grammar classes, again 5 in number. This is a structured syllabus which is available to the special members of the channel live. Now, when you click that member only content, you will get a screen like this. You will not get the link. In the all viewers class, you will be able to click the link. Here, it will tell you that you have to join as a member. Only then you will be able to get this. And that to join as a special member, because this is a thing which YouTube gives to special members. That is why it is only for special members. You can see here it is written members only, special members, and here there is a button join. So then the screen becomes open to you. Otherwise the 12th October screen is not open to everybody. We have many special members, but only a handful are joining. I request all the special members, since you've taken the trouble of joining as special members, please participate in the live online classes. All the others who are not special members can always watch the recorded version. You can see here, this is encircled. This is already a session which is over on 7th October. Today is 9th October when I'm recording this. So 7th it was over, and it is now available to everybody. All of you can watch this, and you can also see all the discussions which were there. How much benefit came to all the participants. Every video which is a live class becomes available, but it is available not in the videos column. Please remember that in the videos column it is not available. It is only available in the live column. Here live is underlined, you can see. So when you go to live only, you can see all the live sessions which have been taken up now. We had 4 plus 1, 5 for special members, And this is the third one for all viewers. So 5 and 2, 7 live classes are over. All 7 are available here. Now I can't show you because this is only a screen, a single screen. So in the live column, you will find upcoming, there are 2, and recorded, there are 5. So all these you can watch to improve your English, apart from videos which are more than 300. This is what we just had on 7th October. This was the live session for special members and the topic was vocabulary. Now it is available to you in the recorded form, but those who participated benefited immensely because they could write whatever they wanted, their vocabulary, their sentences. I could tell them what is right and what is wrong, how they can correct themselves. Therefore, if you want to watch the upcoming 10th October live session at 7:30 in the evening Indian Standard Time, then please go to the live counter on the home page and press this, the link which is given. If you, there it says notify me, just below the link it says notify me. If you press that notify me, exactly at 7:20 it will tell you that now live session is going to start. So even if you've forgotten, your phone will remind you and then you can join. I hope to see many of you in the all viewers live session tomorrow. This is a live spoken English class, class number 3, and that is on 10th October at 7:30 p.m. Thank you. Don't forget to press the notification button that looks like a bell and join the live class on 10th in large numbers. On 12th, special members, every one of you.